Your intermediate guide to ranch roping. Guys, today we're going to talk about a cool little trick. So the old swing swap, and this is all about being versatile. It's also just a cool trick. Okay, I don't use this very often, but it's something neat to know how to do. Today's video is brought to you by 1 Peter 3, 8 through 12. Finally, all of you, be like-minded, be sympathetic, love one another, be compassionate and humble. Do not repay evil with evil or insult with insult. On the contrary, repay evil with blessing, because to this you were called, so that you may inherit it a blessing. For whoever would love life and see good days must keep their tongue from evil, and their lips from deceitful speech. They must turn from evil and do good. They must seek peace and pursue it. For the eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and his ears are attentive to their prayer. But the face of the Lord is against those who do evil. So let's say we're swinging forehand and the angle of our calf changes, okay? And we need to swap to a backhand swing. I have the option of stopping my swing, letting my loop die, and then picking it up and swinging a backhand. That is completely fine, and that's what most people do. But there is another option. It's called a swing swap. So what we can do, if I'm swinging a forehand swing, I can take it and I can dip it way over my left shoulder, like way over here, real dramatic, right? And then just drag it around and swap it to a backhand swing. I got me a little figure eight going there, but let's try that again without the figure eight and see what happens. So again, if that looks normal, I'm swinging forehand, and then I just dip it way over my left-hand shoulder, drag it back, and now we got our backhand swing ready to go. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.